Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys about the new Grow a Garden Halloween merchant. So it's going to only be available for today only. You have about, well, right now it's like 2 p.m. where I live, and it's going to leave in 16 hours. It's always going to be here, and the stock will be full, as you can see. There's the Spider Vine, Monster Flower, Frightwork. They have 35 in stock. Vampire Fang, Spectre. This is a pet, and the Lich statue, and the Skull Fence, as well as the Cemetery Fence. I will be purchasing everything. Might as well, since it will be out of stock. I'm just going to again clear out the stock here. Spectre, statue, skull fence, and cemetery fence. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you get everything from that store. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.